Now let's work on some more examples. Go ahead and try this one. 1 over x minus 2 squared plus 3. Now, if you recall, because it's squared, it's going to want to be symmetrical about the y-axis. But in this case, it's really going to be symmetrical about the vertical asymptote. Because notice that the vertical asymptote is at x equals 2 now. It's been shifted 2 units to the right. So it's over here. And we can see that the horizontal asymptote is y equals 3. It's been shifted up 3 units. So the graph is going to be on this side. So therefore, to write the domain, it's going to be everything except the vertical asymptote of 2. And the range, we can see that the lowest y value is 3, but it doesn't include the horizontal asymptote at y equals 3. And the highest y value is infinity. So the range is from 3 to infinity. Let's try another example like this one. So let's say if it's negative 1 over x plus 3 squared minus 2. So go ahead and take a minute to graph this particular function. So the vertical asymptote is x is equal to negative 3. So it's been shifted 3 units to the left. The horizontal asymptote is negative 2. Specifically, y is equal to negative 2. So it's been shifted 2 units down. Now, the negative sign tells us is that it's going to reflect over the horizontal asymptote. So it won't be in the first quadrant. It's going to be in the fourth quadrant. And it's not going to be in the second quadrant. It's going to be in the third quadrant as well. So it still reflects, it's still like a reflection over the vertical asymptote. But this negative caused it to reflect over the blue line, the horizontal asymptote. But it's still symmetrical over the vertical asymptote. That's what I meant to say. So that's how the graph looks like. To write the domain, it's going to be the same. All we need to do is take away the vertical asymptote from it. And for the range, we can see that the lowest y value is negative infinity, and the highest is the horizontal asymptote of negative 2. So the range is going to be from negative infinity to negative 2, but it does not include negative 2.